Open court is the last place for the commoners to get in. Much more further than allowed for the commoners to get in. That's why when you look on the front view here, you can see the hippo style hole and no one can get in. On the front here as well, we have a table like one rock. Rock of what? Alabaster stone.
Can you imagine coming here in the summer?
You do it very fast.
The things here represent King Tut, Tutankhamun.
This represents King Tut.
Yeah, but this is a smaller size than the one that you have seen when you were in Giza.
Okay.
So face of king, body alive. Ahead of you here, this is alabaster table. Like a table made out of stone.
Okay.
For what? For the offerings. And tomorrow, when we are in the West
This
Bank...
is the table. This is the...
No, here.
Oh, it's
here.
over there.
Put an offering there, like a sacrifice.
Right.
It's like the Aztecs. We'll kill a ram in here. You could do other animals. It's like in India.
This is alabaster, and tomorrow we have a chance to visit alabaster factory. Not
So they could sell us stuff.
so the target to visit this place, when we visit this place, not to sell or to buy, to show you how they carve. If you know about the canopic jars,
Yeah, it's see-through, translucent.
yes, and you are going to see the three colors tomorrow: green alabaster, brown, and white alabaster.
And then keep the intestines in there.
Canopic jars. Yeah. Intestines, stomach, liver, and four things.
Gallbladder.
Like intestines, stomach, liver, and lungs. And the heart stay in the body. Look at the statue here. This is the statue of the busy man, Ramesses II.
Ramses II.
One single rock of what? This is pink granite, and the source of the granite from Aswan.
This is granite, right
Yes.
here. This is granite.
Right. Yes. Yes. On the way back, we will.
Okay, yeah.
When we have this.
Okay.
This is another temple was built by Ramesses III, the dynasty number 20. But there is no relation between the second and the third.
No relation between the second and the third?
Yes, only had the same name.
Oh.
I think this is butterfly. Okay, can you get out of my
So,
picture,
look at this. Look at the pylon. The gate here, we call it pylon. And this one is completed because all the pylon here is carved and was painted. Look at the remains of the colors here. See that?
Yeah, I don't need this.
But
This looks like a gravestone here.
Yeah, it does.
Ephesus is a much smaller, like this is huge.
The Nile is that away, man.
This is a lot easier to
sorry, my dear, sir, Mr.
Okay,
Anand,
don't worry.
That's okay.
because he's a German guide, and some people asking me to find a German guide for them. And
Oh, no.
Yeah, I noticed the difference. I see it.
But this is harder than
To do.
to carve
It's
out.
3D.
You have to chisel, right? You have to chisel all the background to make the figures
get
appear.
it. You have to make everything indented except the figures.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But here you can work on the figure
Easier.
itself.
So
Easier.
that's carved in.
Carve it in on the granite because it's hard to chisel or to carve out on the granite because this is hard stone. But what kind of stone did they use to carve on the granite? Diorite.
Diorite.
And this is harder stone. The second hardest stone after diamond.
Yes, you are.
You are.
They're all coming. Let's go. Let's keep going.